In this video, I'm going to talk about the public library feature within CloneVoice.ai. Now, this goes a little bit beyond, for example, the voice maker and the creative voices behind it. What this is basically where we have thousands and thousands and thousands of voices that were generated internally by our team, by our beta testers, our users, and that sort of thing, and shared for the community, right? This is what it is. And effectively, we constantly go and pick the best ones and we fine tune them and we put them up here for you to use. That way you don't have to think about what to create. You don't have to even come up with ideas for that creative voice design where you have to put a prompt in and all that kind of stuff to generate a voice. Here you come in, you type a keyword, just one keyword, okay? And then you can use the voices here, save them and all that kind of good stuff. So for example, let's say, for example, I wanted to create a goblin, right? You see this, you have a squeaky goblin, goblin warlock, goblin trader, right? There's so many different variations of one voice. So for example, let's play this.
Hey, this is what I sound like. You can use me for narration, video.
That's an example. Let's look at the warlord.
Hey, this is what I sound like. You can use me for narration.
Pretty cool, right? So once you preview it, you can copy them to your voices. So you can click copy. And then let's say I like these two, these get saved into your voices. I'll show you where it'll appear in just a second. Again, same thing with princess. Let's say you want to search for princess. You say sparkly princess, no princess, action princess, spoiled teen princess. You get the point, right? There's different ones you can go for princess. Similarly, let's say, you don't know what to type. Let's say, okay. So let's say you come to the public gallery. You don't even know what to type. You're not sure. Okay. You reset it, the reset button. Okay. Let me show you again what I did there. Princess, search. Okay. So it shows the princess. I don't want the princess to show up anymore. I just hit the reset button there. And then it resets. Now you see this vampire, Strocat, celestial oracle, frost mage. You see, astral navigator, swamp witch, rune smith seer, sports play-by-play announcer, for example, documentary narrator. See, business marketing commentator. Let's say sports play announcer and technology explainer, right? So I added these. You see now when I added them, I can also not add them. Let's say it's too many. I want to remove anybody. The technology explainer, I can click on this dustbin icon and I can, you see this. Are you sure you want to remove this from your voices? Yes. So what do we mean by my voices? So there is a section called my voices here, of course, that you can go in and you'll see it. So you see this, I have these voices here. Okay, under all voices, so sports play-by-play announcer and all that kind of stuff. And you see this right here. You can play it. You can favorite these. They come useful later on when you favorite these. I'll talk about that as we go on. And then you can also, for example, where these will come into play is that when you click on create audio, whenever you're trying to do so, okay, the create audio option to generate your voices. And then let's say I want to create a goblin story, right? Whatever. Okay. Now you're going to select voice. You see this option that right here. I select that voice. So under select voice, it will show up under the public library voices. You see to the right. So let me highlight that. So under the categories there, it will show up under the public library. So then you can basically use that voice and then do your normal process of using the script and that sort of thing. So the public library allows you to use thousands and thousands and thousands of different variation of voices that we as a community have built together, our beta tester built together, our team internally has developed together to basically utilize the community together to build amazing voices and not come up with any creativity on your own. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Look forward to seeing the other training videos.